Once upon a time, there were three bears living in a jungle: Mama Balu, Papa Balu, and Little Bhalu. One day, early in the morning, they were busy in the kitchen making their breakfast. When the breakfast was ready, they noticed that it was very hot, so they went for a walk in the jungle to cool down. When they went, a little girl named Goldilocks was roaming in the jungle. She saw their cottage. She went inside and saw that there was breakfast kept in 3 bowls on the table. Goldilocks tasted the first bowl, but it was too hot. The second bowl was cold, and the third bowl was perfect. She ate the third bowl. Then she got tired and sat on the sofa. The first sofa was very hard, the second was very soft, and the third was perfect. But when she sat on it, it broke. After getting tired, Goldilocks quickly made a decision. She went over and saw the 3 beds. The first bed was very hard, the second was very soft, and the third was perfect. She slept on the third bed. After a while, the teen bears returned. They saw that someone had eaten their breakfast, their chair was broken, and someone was in their bedroom. When they saw Goldilocks, they screamed. Goldilocks woke up and ran away in fear. Goldilocks never returned, and the teen bears made their home safe. And they lived happily ever after. This story teaches children that they should not enter anyone's home without permission. Goldilocks made a mistake, but she learned a lesson, and the teen bears protected their home.